Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily find saved sticker on your Samsung phone. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly to customize a sticker, head toward your gallery and choose any one of the picture. After that, tap and hold on the picture, then you will see the option of save as sticker. Simply click on it and now the photo has been converted into a sticker. To use it, open your keyboard and click on emoji option. Then after you will see the option of customize at the left corner. Simply click on it and choose the option which looks like a little pink flower. Simply click on it and there you go. That is how easily you can find saved sticker on your Samsung phone. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.